Cooking Appa.
Hi, this is Cooking Appa. Today Appa managed to find a very nice 7-star grouper, and this is actually half of the fish head. Usually when I buy the whole fish, I will usually request the seller to keep at least about 2 to 3 inches of meat. Why? Because I'm the only person who loves to eat fish head in the family, and my family they don't really know how to appreciate fish head, so they prefer to eat the meat. So therefore I always request to have extra meat that comes together with the fish head, so that I can eat the fish head while my family can enjoy the meat. Yeah, so this is how you can order from the seller. Of course, you can only do this when you buy the whole fish. Yeah, this whole fish, I think is about 1.6 kg, and this is half of the fish head here.
Remember to click subscribe and notification button for more Appa's video.
And this is the Fu Pei Char Sing Bun. Very nice. Let's send this over to my steamer before we continue to talk about the rest of the ingredient. I'm going to steam it today. We are going to marinate it with some salt and put on top a few pieces of ginger. I'm going to put it in. I'm going to use approximately 10 minutes because this is only half of the fish head, not really very big. Let me adjust the time, approximately. Okay, and you will steam by itself. And let's prepare the other ingredient and the sauce. Okay, so what we have here is I have some ginger slices, some fresh coriander, a little bit of chili padi. I will put this garnish on top, and not forgetting some fried garlic. Yeah, I always have fried garlic at home. So if you want to learn how to make fried garlic at home, you can check out my previous video. Yeah. After that, we will make the sauce. And the main thing for making the sauce is actually the chicken stock. Very fast. 1 bowl of hot water here, and I'm going to use approximately 1 teaspoon of my Cooking Appa chicken stock powder. This one, right? Where you can actually get it easily from Shopee, Malaysia, and Singapore. Approximately 1 teaspoon, and then put it in. Give it a few stir, done. Very, very fragrant. And it's made out of a natural ingredient, yeah? And of course, we will need some other ingredient to make it into a steamed fish sauce. Giving it some garlic oil or any other seasoned oil you have, such as sesame oil. So that's the good thing about making fried garlic at home. When you make fried garlic, you will have garlic oil. All right. The next thing is to add in the chicken stock. And let's season the chicken stock with a bit of oyster sauce. One round of light soya sauce. Possibly 1 tablespoon. A bit of my favorite Vietnamese premium fish sauce. A bit of salt. Some sugar. Few dashes of white pepper. And just make sure everything is nicely dissolved. And of course, if you want the color to become darker in color, then what you can do is to add in some dark soya sauce. Right? A very nice aromatic steamed fish sauce is done. It's ready. The fish head. Wow. Oh, look at it. It really looks so good. Oh shit. Now the thing about fish steaming is that you don't want the fishy water, right? So we are going to take out the fish and put it onto another serving plate. Alright, here's the fish on the serving plate without the fishy water. That is very important. And then we are going to put the ginger all over. Like, you probably knew Appa is a ginger person. Of course, you don't have to put as much ginger as I do. Not to cover the fish. At least let you see what kind of fish Appa is using. Here's the fresh coriander on top. And some chili padi. I haven't put in the fried garlic yet. Before I put in the fried garlic, I'm going to add in my steamed fish sauce. So here is the steamed fish sauce. The fried garlic. Done. I can't wait to eat it with my family. What did you cook for your family tonight? Let Appa know, leave a comment below. So I hope you like my very simple video today. If you like my video, do share my video on your Facebook to your friends. Come to Cooking Appa Facebook fan page to click like and follow button. Follow up on Instagram and subscribe to Cooking Appa YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Bye bye.